Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best cordless vacuums. Starting at number 5. Tineco A11 Hero. Portable handheld VAC converts to a lightweight portable handheld vacuum for use anywhere, includes power brush, mini power brush, 2-in-1 dusting brush, and crevice tool for versatile cleaning. Cleaning hard-to-reach areas is made easier. 3 power modes. Max power mode delivers ultra-powerful suction at 120 W, allowing it to easily pick up dirt and dust from deep inside carpets. Gentle, and daily, 2 modes are suitable for everyday cleaning on different types of floors, such as hardwood and tile. Long runtime. A detachable high-performance battery delivers up to 40 minutes uninterrupted runtime. Estimated runtime data was obtained by a Tineco laboratory using one battery and non-motorized accessories. Ideal for large jobs and full house cleaning. Innovative brushless motor is quiet, making it suitable for everyday use around children and pets, no matter how long you clean. 3 power modes. Max power mode delivers ultra-powerful suction at 120 W, allowing it to easily pick up dirt and dust from deep inside carpets. Gentle, and daily, 2 modes are suitable for everyday cleaning on different types of floors, such as hardwood and tile. Coming at number 4. Cordless vacuum cleaner. 8-cell battery for long runtime. The cordless vacuum cleaner with a large capacity battery provides up to 53 minutes of daily cleaning in the standard mode. 6 kilopascals, the running time is more longer, and max mode, 22 kilopascals, provides 14 minutes of deep cleaning. It can be charged on the wall mount to save storage space. New upgraded 22 kilopascals strong suction. The upgraded 250W brushless motor cordless vacuum cleaner provides strong suction up to 22 kilopascals. 3 suction modes can be switched freely to meet your various cleaning needs: dust, pet cats, debris, etc. on hard floors, carpets, stairs and cars. The wall cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 250W brushless motor, which can provide a strong suction power of up to 22 kilopascals, and supports the free switching of 3 suction modes: high, medium, low. Note: blockage of the filter by garbage will cause the motor protection function to start. If the vacuum automatically shuts down soon, please check whether there is garbage blocking in the floor brush pipe and the dust cup filters, and then it can be used normally after cleaning. At number 3. Cordless vacuum cleaner. Widely applicable 2 modes and long-lasting battery. PrettyCare cordless vacuum stick provides 35 minutes runtime in 11,000 pascals and 20 minutes in 20,000 PA, ensures thorough one-time cleaning of 137, 50 square feet house. 2 adjustable modes adapt to different situations and allow full use of the battery. 20 kilopascals suction can even suck up your phone. PrettyCare stick vacuum with 20,000 pascals hurricane suction almost reaches the suction of a traditional canister vacuum. Eliminates dirt, debris, pet hair, and tough messes with ease. Leaves no dirt behind. HEPA is washable and recyclable. Ergonomic handle makes cleaning easy. One-click dust dumping. Design makes emptying simple. 20 kPa suction can even suck up your phone. PrettyCare stick vacuum with 20,000 pascals hurricane suction almost reaches the suction of a traditional canister vacuum. Eliminates dirt, debris, pet hair, and tough messes with ease. Leaves no dirt behind. HEPA is washable and recyclable. Number 2 of my list. Bouture cordless. Detachable battery, the rechargeable vacuum cleaner with 2,600 mAh battery. Cordless vacuum can runtime up to 30 to 35 minutes by charged for 4 hours. The detachable battery design makes you feel free to choose your suitable way to charge. Spare battery is available in our store for extended runtime. 380W brushless motor and 30 kPa powerful suction. Bouture JR100 cordless vacuum cleaner works well on carpet and hardwood floor. The cordless vacuum can be placed on the wall mount stand to save space and make your home organized and tidy. 380W brushless motor and 30 kPa powerful suction. Bouture JR100 cordless vacuum cleaner works well on carpet and hardwood floor. With 380W brushless motor and 20 kPa per 30 kPa 2 powerful suction mode, can meet our daily cleaning needs, cleaning debris, dust, cat litter and pet hair, etc., for home. And number 1. Flagship Dyson V7. Whole machine HEPA filtration. Whole machine HEPA filtration captures dusts and expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. Powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V7, engineered for powerful suction on carpets and hard floors. No touch dirt emptying. No need to touch the dirt, just pull the lever to release. Quickly transforms to a handheld vacuum to clean all around your home and car. Hygienic bin emptying plus docking station, just push the button to release the dirt. Tidily stores and recharges your Dyson V7 vacuum, so always ready for use. Engineered for all floor types, the direct drive cleaner head drives bristles into the carpet to remove ground and dirt. The Dyson V7 animal cord-free vacuum quickly transforms to a handheld for quick cleanups, spot cleaning and cleaning difficult places. Cord-free, hassle-free, powerful suction. Up to 30 minutes of powerful fade-free suction. Trigger releases instantly. Battery power is only used for cleaning. Transforms to a handheld for beyond the floor cleaning. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.